King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring king 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 got the hammer king I ain't got the chain sticks put it in my punches to pop pop pop.
Hey sexy Lexi babes, and welcome back to another video. So if you are interested in learning how to make a grape Kool-Aid lip scrub, then keep on watching. So since I don't plan on selling these, I'm just making these for fun, and I might give away some to my customers for free. I'm just going to get a half cup of sugar and add that to the bowl. Take my grapeseed oil and add 1 tablespoon of that. I'm gonna add 3 in total, but I'm just gonna start adding them gradually because this is my first time using a smaller amount of sugar, so I just want to make sure I use the correct amount of oil. My preservatives to the lip scrub because I want it to last as long as possible. And when you add a preservative, your lip scrubs can last up to 2 years. So you only want to add a tiny bit. I'm gonna literally add like a drop because if you add too much, it can cause your lips to burn. But it is vegan and 100% natural. Here's the fun part. I'm gonna go ahead and add my grape Kool-Aid packet. I'm only gonna add 1 and see what it does. So let's just get right into it. So the color that it's giving, I really don't like it. However, it smells really good. It smells just like grape Kool-Aid, which is the fun part. But I don't like this color. I want it to be a grape purple color. So I'm going to use a pigment powder that I have so that we can make it a grape looking color. Now this is what we call a grape Kool-Aid lip scrub. This purple looks way better than that blackish gray color I was getting before. So now I'm happy. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my grape Kool-Aid lip scrub to the lip scrub containers. And these are sealants that I put on all of my lip scrub containers just to prevent oil from leaking outside of the container and to protect your customer. You can find these and everything else that I use in this video in the description below. you guys for watching today's video. I just wanted to get creative and do something different. So I hope you enjoyed it. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my website. And have a blessed, prosperous day.